Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Motorola G34. So you have to start with opening your Google application and then click on your avatar and go to settings, and now click on Google Assistant and then click on Hey Google and the voice match. Now click here to enable Hey Google and then click on retrain voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click next, more, I agree. Now you can click back and here click on lock screen, then click yes I'm in and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.